my God. This package is... Blah. There's like dust flying everywhere. Oh, I hope that's not asbestos. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you've been curious what you get in a $29 Colourpop mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So I'm sure you've by now already watched numerous unboxing videos of what is in the Colourpop mystery box. They are so slow. I ordered this on August the 10th, 17th, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks ago, and it finally just arrived today, which is, what is it, the 31st, last day of August. So I will be unboxing this, and I noticed most people went for the like $89, the largest box. I went for the cheap box. This is the smallest box. They had 3, and I'm not sure if they're still available. They may be. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what you get for $29 from Colourpop. Oh, I also ordered a separate item since I was on their website. Last time I did a Colourpop haul, I want to say over 4th of July, Memorial Day week, I don't know, 3 months ago. And they were sold out of their eyeliners, their gel eyeliner. I believe that's why I got 2 packages. This is the mystery box, and this is what I ordered. Let's see what it is and get it on my face, because I have foundation, lip, mascara, nothing else. And I'm looking pretty pasty pale. Oh my God. This package is... Blah. There's like dust flying everywhere. Oh, I hope that's not asbestos. Okay, so I was correct. We have 1 squished box already open. This better be the black eyeliner. Yes. Okay, I'm going to throw this on my face, and then I'm going to dive in and see what I got. Hopefully there's other items that can end up on my face. For $29, this is a pretty full box. All right, let's grab the first item and let's go like this and hope and pray I will enjoy the product, and mainly the color will look good on my pasty pale fair skin. All right, let's get the disappointing products out of the way first. I just so happened to grab this here, which is Act Natural Defining Mascara. And mascaras are lovely. However, I have very watery eyes and can only use and wear waterproof mascara. I am 99.9% sure this is a regular mascara. Yes, I don't see the words waterproof anywhere, but this is in black and will be set aside for a future giveaway. All right, next item. We have an ultra glossy lip. I love a good lip gloss. Please be a good color. Yes. Okay, this looks lovely. It is in the shade Here's to You. Ching ching. Ooh. That is shiny. It's shiny with like glittery, but not glitter you can feel, but sparkles. It has a very interesting doe foot, or not even a doe foot. The applicator is like stiff, short, and stubby. Did something break off? Is that why it's in the mystery box? Interesting. I love the shade. I love the sparkle, or I don't want to say glitter. The shine, the shimmer. Ooh, and it has a lovely kind of fruity, sweet scent. Okay. 1 good, 1 bad. What else did I get? Yes, I got a little 4-pan quad eyeshadow. And this is 5 Star Island from Animal Crossing. Okay, yes, interesting. So, of the unboxings I watched, which were the $89, the large mystery box, they each got 2 of these quad palettes from Animal Crossing, but I do not believe it was this one. Oh, good, thank God. They're colors I can pull off and wear. All right, so here is the color story. We have kind of a golden yellow, and the rest are kind of pinky, burgundy, rosy colors. All of them, with the exception of the yellowy soft gold, swatched beautifully. These were all one swipe. I did have to go in twice here. All right. What else is in this box? What is this? This is a SAGUARO Jelly Much Shadow. Ooh, I have not tried one of their jelly shadows. What shade is this going to be? Oh, yes. It is peeking through something I think I can use and wear. Ooh. Okay, it's kind of like a tangerine, coppery, golden, shiny goodness. Interesting texture. There it is right there. Oh, that will go lovely with the rest of the shadows. Okay, next item. Got a single shadow pressed glitter, and this is in the shade Cuteness Glitters. I would say with this one, you probably are going to need a glitter glue. It is a little chunky, and you will probably end up with fallout if you don't apply some kind of glue. Okay, next item. We have from Luxe a lip oil. Yes, also in a color shade I will enjoy. This is called Gen Zen. It's right there. Even though it looks soft pink in here, it's almost clear. You probably won't even see that. Let me throw it on my lips. Yes. Love how it feels. Not sticky. Has a lovely, again, soft, fruity, sweet scent. Maybe cantaloupe? Don't quote me on that. All right, and now on to the last item. This is from Soul Body, and it is a shimmering dry oil. Interesting. I think I'm going to shake it up. I wasn't expecting it to be white. I thought it would be kind of bronzy colored. I'm not 24 with smoking hot legs, wearing short shorts. This is just, it's just not my cup of tea. So I'm going to set this aside for a future giveaway. Okay, so that is everything I got in the mystery box for $29. I'm not sure. Is this worth $29? Probably the eyeshadow palette maybe ran for $14. But let's recap everything I got. So I got a body shimmering dry oil, a 4-pan eyeshadow palette, a single pressed glitter, a jelly shadow, a mascara, a lip gloss, and a Luxe lip oil. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total. Let me know if you think this was worth $29. I'll be curious to see how much above the $29 price point this is, and see if in the future it's worth buying a mystery box. Meaning, when I was shopping, I noticed they had a lot of items on sale. I think they're trying to clear out some of their older products so that they can add in new items, and they always have a really good sale. So I'll be curious, like if I were to select items from their sale page that I know I would enjoy the color or the product, how many items I could get for around that same $30 price point. Interesting. Challenge accepted. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And you see this guy right over here? It looks like this. It would mean the world to me if you would click the thumbs up like button. It really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.